One Python concept, real use, let's make it stick.
In today's BitSize Python, let's take a look at the escape characters and multiline strings, and these will help you make output clean and professional. Let's first take a look at the newline character and tab. So the tab is \t, and then the newline is \n. This will help you format your outputs. For example, if I want to say print BitSize learning, and if I want to insert the tab between them, and then print this out, it's going to give me BitSize learning. If I want to do two tabs, it's going to create even more distance between them. Okay, let's do a print statement using the another one. Welcome. Let's do the new line character. Welcome. Start coding today. Okay, so I created a new line character right here, and then after welcome, the new start coding today is started after the second line. So that's how we use the new line and then tab characters. So that's the first one. Let's now take a look at the next one, which is escape quotes. We can use / to escape or print out the double quotes or single quotes. For example, inside this print statement, we have the quote within a single quote. It says she said, and then there's a double quote, it, and then another single quotation right here, like a apostrophe, as a beautiful today, beautiful day, and then we have a closing of the inside double quote and then closing of the outside single quote. So inside this, because we have this one and quotation here, we can use / to escape it, and it's going to print that out as is. So for example, if when we print this out or run this, it's she said, it's beautiful day, and then this is going to print out correctly. And then the next example is we print, he replied, yes. So inside this double quote, we have another double quote here, and then we are escaping this inside double quote to print that out correctly. And then when we run it, he replied, yes, it's perfect for a walk. So that's we can use backslashes to escape or to print out the double quotes or single quotes inside of the quotes. Okay, cool, escape quotes. So the third example is going to be the / itself. We use double backslashes when we need to include a single backslash in our string. For example, say print. Inside the print, we're going to do the file is located at, like say, located at C drive, which is a colon, but \, in order to correctly do this \, we will do double / users double and then Nijat double desktop. Okay, so when we print this out, it actually prints out correctly like this, but you should not do just the single quote. In order to print this out with a single quote, you have to use this double / to escape it or to print it out correctly. So that's the third usage, that's the / itself. And then the next usage is multi-line strings with triple quotes. Triple quotes give you span strings across multiple lines. For example, there's a variable called note, and then I open the triple quote after it. And then within this triple quote, I'm going to say, this is BitSize Python happy coding. It is Python is amazing. Okay, so when I run this, it's going to help me print out all of this the way that I formatted it using these. You can also use triple quotes like this, and then triple double quotes like this, and it will run the exact same way. So this point is multi-line strings with triple quotes. This is a great way to write your doc strings for your functions or for your coding. Okay, cool. So the last point that I'm going to take a look at is raw strings. Raw string starts with this R and then double quotation, and inside the string. So raw strings start with a double backslash as normal characters. It treats it as this character as a normal character. For example, usually in print statement, like say if we have C drive user Nijat documents, and in order to print out correctly, we've seen earlier we have to use this double backslashes, and then this will do it correctly. But if you don't want to use these double backslashes, you can use this R. So you can do print R raw string, it means raw string, and inside it you can use these backslashes directly, and then it's going to give you the exact same results. But this is more cleaner. You don't have to double everything like this, and then it reduces more confusion. Okay, cool. Now let's take a look at the summary sheet of what we've learned today. We've learned a new line character. It inserts new line. The \t inserts a tab, and then backslash itself, we have learned or looked at it before. And then for single quotes and double quotes to print it out, we used a backslash to actually print them out correctly. And if you don't want to do all the backslashes, you can use raw strings, and the no escaping happens here. So that's it for today. Happy coding.
That's it for today. Always learn more with less. Hit subscribe and don't miss out on daily videos.